Welcome to Herbology Haven. Today, we're diving into the world of mint, a versatile herb with endless benefits. From its delightful fragrance to its countless uses, mint has been cherished for centuries. Mint, a refreshing and aromatic herb, belongs to the Lamiaceae family. The most popular species are Peppermint Mentha piperita and Spearmint Mentha spicata. Historically, mint has been valued for its culinary and medicinal properties, dating back to ancient civilizations. Mint plants are easily recognizable with their square stems, aromatic leaves, and clusters of small flowers. They spread rapidly, making them both easy to grow and a bit challenging to contain. Here discuss some of the species and varieties of mint. Peppermint Mentha piperita. Peppermint is a hybrid of watermint Mentha aquatica and Spearmint Mentha spicata. It has a strong, sharp flavor and aroma due to its high menthol content. It is widely used in teas, candies, chewing gum, and as a flavoring in various dishes. It is also popular in essential oils and medicinal products. Peppermint Mentha piperita has dark green leaves with a reddish-purple stem. The leaves are typically smooth and have a strong minty scent. Spearmint Mentha spicata. Spearmint is known for its sweet, mild flavor and is often used in cooking and beverages. Spearmint Mentha spicata, commonly used in Middle Eastern cuisine, salads, and as a garnish. It is also found in mint-flavored drinks like mojitos. Spearmint Mentha spicata has bright green leaves with a pointed shape and serrated edges. The plant has a more subtle mint aroma compared to peppermint. Apple Mint Mentha suaveolens. Apple mint has a fruity, apple-like flavor and is less intense than peppermint and spearmint. Apple Mint Mentha suaveolens used in salads, jellies, and as a garnish. It is also used in some herbal teas and beverages. Apple Mint Mentha suaveolens has fuzzy, rounded leaves with a light green color. The plant has a mild, pleasant aroma reminiscent of apples. Chocolate Mint Mentha X piperita F. Citrata, chocolate. This variety has a unique chocolate-like flavor in addition to its minty taste. Chocolate mint often used in desserts, candies, and chocolate-flavored drinks. It's also a novelty herb in culinary applications. Chocolate mint has dark green leaves with a chocolate scent. The plant has a distinct aroma that blends mint and cocoa. Corsican Mint Mentha requioni. Corsican mint is a low-growing, ground-cover variety with a delicate flavor. Corsican mint used as a garnish or in small quantities in dishes where a subtle mint flavor is desired. It's also used in potpourri. Corsican mint has small, round leaves with a creeping habit. It has a gentle, sweet mint fragrance. Pineapple Mint Mentha rotundifolia. Pineapple mint has a distinctive pineapple-like flavor, making it unique among mint varieties. Pineapple mint used in fruit salads, desserts, and tropical-themed dishes. It is also enjoyed in some herbal teas. Pineapple mint has variegated leaves with green and white patterns. The plant has a fruity aroma with hints of pineapple. Variegated Mint Mentha X piperita, variegata. Variegated mint features strikingly patterned leaves with green and white stripes or edges. Variegated mint is primarily used as an ornamental plant but also has a mild mint flavor suitable for culinary uses. Variegated mint has leaves are green with white or cream edges, adding visual interest to gardens and containers. Each mint species offers its own distinct flavor profile and uses, making mint a versatile and valuable herb in both culinary and medicinal contexts. Mint thrives in moist, well-drained soil with partial to full sunlight. For the best flavor, harvest mint just before it flowers. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and prevents legginess. In the kitchen, mint adds a fresh, cooling flavor to dishes like salads, beverages, desserts, and sauces. Medicinally, it's been used to treat digestive issues, headaches, and respiratory problems. Mint tea and poultices have been go-to remedies for centuries. Mint contains active compounds such as menthol, menthone, and limonene, which contribute to its therapeutic effects. These compounds aid digestion, relieve nausea, reduce pain, and improve respiratory function. Mint is renowned for soothing the stomach and alleviating digestive discomfort. The menthol in mint acts as a natural decongestant, perfect for respiratory issues. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties also make it great for skincare. Recent studies confirm mint's efficacy in treating conditions like IBS and its role in integrative medicine practices, combining traditional and modern approaches for enhanced health. While mint is generally safe, excessive consumption can lead to side effects like heartburn or allergic reactions. Always consult with a healthcare provider before using mint medicinally. Mint essential oil, especially peppermint oil, is widely used in aromatherapy for its invigorating properties. Inhalation or topical application can help alleviate headaches, improve focus, and reduce stress. Mint holds cultural significance around the world. In ancient Greece, it symbolized hospitality, while in Middle Eastern cuisine, it's a key ingredient. Traditional practices often include mint in rituals, teas, and remedies. The food and beverage industry loves mint for its refreshing flavor and health benefits. It's also a popular ingredient in cosmetics and personal care products for its cooling and antimicrobial properties. Mint can be processed through steam distillation for essential oils or dried for culinary use. From toothpaste to lotions, mint's refreshing properties make it a staple in many products. Ongoing research continues to uncover new benefits of mint, such as its potential role in weight management and cognitive function. Clinical trials demonstrate mint's effectiveness in real-life applications. As demand for mint grows, sustainability becomes a concern. Sustainable farming practices are essential to ensure a steady supply without harming the environment. Future research will focus on new applications and improving cultivation methods. Let's discuss some questions. How do I grow mint at home? Growing mint at home is easy. Simply plant it in a pot or garden bed with well-drained soil and partial to full sunlight. Water it regularly, and it will thrive. Can mint help with digestion? Yes, mint is known for its digestive benefits. It can help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). What are the side effects of mint? While mint is generally safe, excessive consumption can cause heartburn or allergic reactions. Always use it in moderation and consult a healthcare provider if needed. How is mint used in cooking? Mint adds a fresh, cooling flavor to dishes. It's commonly used in salads, sauces, beverages, and desserts, enhancing the taste and aroma of food. Is mint safe for children and pets? Mint is safe for children and pets in small amounts. However, excessive consumption can cause side effects, so it's best to use it sparingly. Mint is truly a remarkable herb, offering a plethora of benefits across culinary, medicinal, and therapeutic realms. Its rich history and diverse applications ensure it remains a staple in households and industries worldwide. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries about this versatile plant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Herbology Haven for more fascinating insights into the world of herbs. Have more questions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer. Until next time, stay healthy and herb savvy.